Oh, wala to. Butterfly.
Butterfly.
Butterfly. Look at the butterfly. See? Oh. Kailan pa tayo makakarating dito?
Masakit na yung mga paa.
Yung paa natin masakit na.
Oh, hindi kayo dito mag-kayong dalawa.
Look!
Oh, kuya. Dito, kuya. Oh, wait, kuya. Nakakondingin, kuya eh.
Is it going to eat the floor?
Oh, you need to hold ha.
Oh! Is that the grasshopper?
Si Panang Mau.
What is that?
Nagawin ko.
Kung mag-video ko yan.
Grasshopper.
Saan ang video ko?
Mamaya.
Oh.
Kuya. Hi ka naman dito, Be. Be.
Oh, ikaw na. Your turn.
Your turn na, Be. Wala na, nagwala na.
Enjoy.
Yeah.
Oh,
First time.
oh sige. Oh, sige. Ading eh. Brave si Ading eh.
Wow, hold this me. Hold na, dali.
Oh, sige, dalawa. Oh. Tuwang-tuwa.
Hi ka ngayon.
Hi ka, Bi. Hi. Bi, hi.
Hi ka man. Wait lang. Hi.
Tuwang-tuwa.
Look at me!
Oh, say hello ka, Bi. Wave your hand. Yes, Bi. I'm not sure.
Wow! You enjoy? You enjoy?
Mommy, look at me!
Nag-enjoy. Oh, it's your turn, Kuya Rowan.
Tabihan nyo, ma'am. Ayaw.
Sige na po. Okay na po. Okay ba?
Pag ako, ikaw ang mami.
Oh, ikaw na. Tabihan mo si Ading,
Para
Kuya.
may picture kayo.
Picture na kami. Halika, Rowan. Rowan. Liam. Rowan, that's the
Check your butterfly.
dragonfly. Oh, the dragonfly. Ay, that's bad.
Naku, kawawa yung ano, Bi. Uy. Oh, picture mo kuya, bibidyoan ko.
Rawan, ako. Rawan, ngiti.
Bibidyoan ko na lang. Asan na siya? Don't play with that one, kuya. Kuya Rowan. Oh, ay sorry po. Ay, kuya.
Hello!
Oh, Kuya Liam. Uy.
Liam!
Oh.
And we're visiting
You should have, stay together.
We're
Oh.
visiting the turtle. And look over there. What the
Turtle.
Turtle din, oh.
Look, a family of turtles.
Saka. Ayun o, dami nila oh. Sandali. Saan tayo? Ay, dyan. Oh, dito. Salita kayo.
Oh, now we're
Safari, turtle,
Reptile.
reptile.
Hey, Liam, look.
Magkaiwalay naman kasi silang nag-ano.
Hello. We how they can breathe in water.
Ay, ang daming fish doon, oh. Doon tayo. Oh, wait.
Here's tortoise oh, kuya. Tortoise. See, that one? Really?
Oh, there's a big turtle.
Tortoise.
Why is it so big? What is turtle doing?
Di ka makakapag ano.
Ano?
Yes. What is it?
I got a new flower.
You got new flowers?
What is it? I don't know.
Oh, look. That one.
What is it? Look, look, alligator.
Look, Rowan.
No, the alligator.
Here, B.
There.
Liam, look here. Oh, Liam, Liam.
Here. Here, B. Oh, ano? Crocodile.
Oh, this is food.
See the crocodile?
It's
It's right there. Oh.
you know that? Philippines forest turtle.
Yan dito po mga saltwater crocodile din.
Uy, ayan.
Yan po yung ating mga rescued crocodile din po.
See?
Liam, don't tap the screen like that. They might wake up and chase us.
Papakain ka muna namin, B. Salt water.
There's another one, Liam.
Ayan ako po yung ating mga green iguana. May makasama sila mga turtles.
Walk is going. Where's the boat walking?
Kaya ito po.
Ayan, no?
Hello. It's a dog. It's happy.
He's happy.
Wait, what?
Wow,
is that?
sabi.
Whoa, hello. What is that?
Uy, may pakis pa.
Inis mo pa.
Hi. Hi. Wait, what is it?
I say, what's your name? What's your name?
Buti na lang din.
Alam mo, pwede yung pakainin po yung ating mga fish ma'am. Pwede po yung bumili ng mga feeds po nila. Ito po.
Oh, you want to feed the fish?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, you need to pay.
Okay, you can feed the pig.
Nino, wala nang
How
dalawa.
about the hot dog? Hot dog. Dog, hot dog.
The white.
Look, huh? Look.
Oh, you need to, ano,
Feed the... Ay. Ano, dali.
sige na, kuha na kayo ni Coach. Pang, ano,
Kain niya.
pagkain.
Yes.
Oh, dragonfly bee. Oh, yes.
I want to get this.
Nakita na naman niya yung dragonfly.
So many coming. Wait, what happens to you pit that side? I pit this.
Come on, kuya. Drop it.
No one. Stay here.
Ano gusto mong ulamin? Ano?
Hoy! Dragonfly pa din.
Madami eh.
Nick, lumayo si Rowan. Don't drop the plastic, kuya, ha?
Don't drop the plastic. Doon pa sumisiksik eh. Nandito na nga sila sa harap.
Kuya, I'm just spin.
Finish.
Yeah, no more.
No more. We were
Oh.
going. Did you enjoy, Liam?
Yeah.
What did you say about that? Ah?
What? Ay, nag-uusap sila.
Get going.
Yung mga may kurto, sabi niya.
Lapit na. Ay, saan na si Auntie Rosie ay? Hindi na sumama.
Yan, next po natin. Yan po yung ating mga patas monkey. Yes. One of the wild monkeys. Sila na rin po yung may mga pinakamahabang pangil po.
Asa na? Tatago po.
Wala sila.
Ayun! Andun, nasa gilid.
Sige,
Tatawag.
Dito.
kaya dito po, meron na tayo dito yung liger po natin. Yes po, it's a crossbreed of lion and tiger. And I think nandyan nun yan siya sa loob niyan mo. Bukas ko kasi yung pinto.
Hey, this
May crack. Oh. Nako, crack.
Yan, next po natin. Ito po yung ating mga Philippine long-tailed macaque.
Oh, that kuya. Oh.
Ano?
Oh, yeah, see. Tiger.
Mamay lipad nito. Langgam.
The monkey's baby baby.
Yung langgam.
Long hair.
Balik na.
Ay, wala na.
Nakakatingin na nga.